it came into the Arctic or wherever. No one saw it happen except the military because we're monitoring the Arctic because that's where rockets get. We're on the case here. Then they get captured, and we want to mine them for the technology that's in them. But we want to do it in a way nobody knows. So where do you do this? Oh, let's build a dam. So the Hoover Dam was the cover project for the analysis of the transformers that we had captured. And then so Hoover Dam's 1920s, right? When was Hoover? 1920s into the 30s. Beginning of the 1930s, we catapulted. Quantum physics was invented, lasers were invented, miniaturization of electronics was invented, and it was all claimed to be traceable to this new technology that we reverse engineered, beginning with that research lab built into. I thought that was brilliant.